I was looking for something that we could actually teach some economics lessons to Isaac. He's getting into that age where he needs to be learning about those types of things, and this seemed to be a good way to introduce him to the whole idea of what does the capitalist system work, how does it work, and how do we participate in it.
We use Stock Market Companion as, because we don't know much about stocks. It really simplified things. It tells you why the certain stock will do well and why he's buying or selling a certain stock.
I like the Stock Market Companion a lot because it's concise and complete, both at the same time. Gives everything in pretty much simple language without a lot of technical economic terms, and it allows us to understand what's happening in the market and in the world at the same time, so that we can weigh the scale and the balance, and gives us more to talk about on there rather than just a simple buy or sell recommendation. The things that we've learned, I've learned specifically in using this tool, was the capabilities of Isaac to be able to handle this kind of responsibility as well.
I would call my dad and ask him if he thought it would be a pretty good idea. I will continue to log on to the Ameritrade account because I have his password. Usually the price is still around where the Stock Market Companion has bought it, so I buy the stock and set my stop, and if we decide it's a good idea, then we go ahead and purchase it.
All these things go into developing his character as well as his knowledge base on what he's doing. I think it's going to be very beneficial for him in the future. Handling these sums of money, I think, is making him more comfortable in talking in these types of terms rather than simply a few dollars here, a few dollars there. So how would this work? How would this look with a whole homeschool curriculum? I think that as homeschoolers, we're always looking at how to integrate real life experiences into the homeschool, and also bringing the different subject areas into real life experiences. So it's not just geography here and math over here and something else over here. And by using the Stock Market Companion, you can actually do a unit study very easily with that, and that you've got, of course, the whole idea of learning about the economy, investing. That incorporated onto that, you can also do unit studies on the companies that are mentioned in the Stock Market Companion. Where are they located? Are they in this country? Are they out of this country? Where is their product sold at? Where's their market at? How do they get to their market? All these factors can incorporate all the different topics, all the different subject areas that you would normally do in a homeschool curriculum built around what's going on in the Stock Market Companion, the different companies that they talk about.
The Stock Market Companion has brought us closer together because when we do have successes, it's seemed as a joint effort rather than just one person doing it all. And when me and my dad invest in a stock and it goes up dramatically and we sell it at a good time, it feels like we've finally accomplished something. In the stock market last year, we made quite a bit of money on a couple different companies. One of them would be Arno Pharmaceuticals, and we made like a couple thousand on that. And another company would be the YRCW Worldwide, and we made 1,000 on that one. And the last company would be Ford Motor Company, as it took over some of GM's business. We made 1,000 on that too, as well.
Any project you do with your son can be either a blessing or it can be a bondage, depending on how you handle it. And this one in particular, being able to come together and say, hey, this is what we learned from this experience, and we're going to make sure that we keep that in mind as time goes on.
It's a way for us to learn the stock market together.